So a lot of you last time or my last video telling me in the comment section that the monetization bar was it didn't work, right? Like when you go in here, it's not both all of this. So what you do is first thing, if you already playing the game, you need to like restart the game. In order to do so, go back to your home and then long press app info and go to storage and clear it. Just clear it like that. And then go back and then restart again. Restart again. Like you need to go in here to start like a new character for just a bit, and then you go back and then you go to Android data, and then you need to delete the monetization bar, the one who is already there. You need to delete that. Don't put the one that you download in the link without deleting the one that are already there. Okay, so that's it. And one more, don't open your data when you're opening it, right? Don't open your data yet when you just put the motivation fuck maybe yeah, that fucking cheat code, cheat file, whatever. Right, that's it. I hope that help you. And yeah, I'm busy right now, so good luck. I will release another one again if the game was updated, if they add another in a marketplace. There's no password in the link, so you just do whatever you want. You just download it and put it and then play. Alright, goodbye, and see you in the next no. Thanks for watching. Bye.